Hey guys, welcome to the show. Welcome back if you're a faithful subscriber. If not, my name's Grant Tommy. This is my channel, Straight Six Van, where I like to focus on budget-minded, creative, relatable builds, a little something I like to call offbeat hot rodding. And today the relatable build is more Rat Rod Radio Flyer. It is Monday, and in case you didn't watch my Let's Talk Shop with Hops episode, I know those can be kind of long-winded and boring. Here is a little clip of the tie rod that I got done last week. But today we are working on wrapping up the steering connection. So I have cut out from some garden edging a little end link here, and I've got that, I guess we'll call it the drag link, connected to Pitman arm. I'll drill out spots for cotter pins and those later. I just kind of needed to get this set in the right spot so I can get to TIG welding that, so let's get going on that. Alright, feels good. I got steering again, so that's pretty awesome. Now, unfortunately, I don't think I can steer as sharp to the left as I can to the right, but I can feel it moving me on my seat back here, so that means I've got that Ackerman principle set up right, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, decent little work for a Monday. So now all I got left is revising this chain side with a second jack shaft, and I got that material, and then revising the exhaust header, and this guy should be ready to go again. Okay, so it is a Sunday, and as you can see, I'm actually outside of my garage giving you this update, and I wished I had more done on the Rat Rod Radio Flyer. Now, first off, just to update there, I was able to remedy the steering situation. It steers pretty much just as well to the left as it does to the right. What happened was that little safety loop, I don't know if you remember from a couple episodes back, if I hammered that down a little more than what it was, it gave less play in the steering shaft, and so that helped fix that. But the only other other day of the weeknight that I had time would have been Thursday night. However, that was the same day I did some philanthropy work through my company, which was basically hard manual labor, kind of construction type stuff. So I was beat by the end of the night. So didn't do anything that. And then we've been gone here Saturday and Sunday as well. The other reason, so Wednesday night, the reason why I couldn't work on the Rat Rod Radio Flyer was the reason why the garage doors closed behind me. It's because I bought a project vehicle, everybody, and I don't want to show you what that is just yet. I'd rather tease you about it, build up some anticipation, and do a special episode all about that. But we got back, it's probably about 5 o'clock here on Sunday. We just got back right around 4. And so I'm not gonna have time to work on the go-kart tonight, really, and then get the thing cleaned back up, because now, you know, my truck is back in the driveway, so I'd have to move my truck back, the project car out, to have space to work on to pull the Rat Rod Radio Flyer out. But I mean, I'm hoping now we've got somewhat of plans going on next Saturday, but I think I'll be back home on Saturday, the same day, even though we have travel involved. So I think I will have a full Sunday next week to work on it, and hopefully we'll get that Rat Rod Radio Flyer patched up. Now, whether or not I get an episode done for the project car before then or after then, I don't know. Probably, but let's just go ahead and plan on after, guys. I mean, let's be real. That's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for joining. I apologize I didn't have more to report on, but until next time, peace out.